there, this is Megan from Essentially Crafty, and today I am going to show you how to upload our labels to Avery and have them professionally printed. It sounds intimidating, but it's really easy, and I'm going to show you how. And I'll be honest, after having ordered labels printed by Avery, I don't print them myself anymore. I absolutely can, but they do such a good job. And the colors are so vibrant that I just ship them off. So let me show you what I do. Go to avery.com. Once you're there, you will see all sorts of options, but you want to navigate over to custom printing and select square labels. That's what we're working on today. Although you will see once you select square, you still have the option of choosing any of the shapes. We are going to have sheet labels printed. You can also do rolls, but when you order rolls, you need to order a minimum of 100, I believe. And I love getting crafty, but not that crafty. So I'm just going to order some sheets of labels. And we are going to select 2-inch squares. You can click the drop down and see all of the other sizing options. And I am going to select the glossy white paper, which is great for most uses, even with essential oils. You can click the compare materials link and it'll tell you all about the different options because there are a ton of them. There's the white film, which is basically plastic, clear film, craft paper, vinyl film. There's all sorts of things. So I recommend clicking on compare materials and choose the one that you like best. I typically use the glossy white paper, and I'm just going to select 24 labels for now, which is 2 sheets, and that's plenty, and I'll tell you why in just a second. Let's click on Start Designing, and we are going to upload. Okay, let's select a file. This is the toner label from our Fresh Face Beauty collection. And you will notice that it's sized perfectly for Avery so that you can print at home or you can have Avery print for you. The bleed has been taken into account, the trim has been taken into account. It is perfectly sized so you don't have to worry about anything. Let's click Apply the Design. Okay, now this is the cool part. Do you see this upper right hand corner? This shows you what your labels will look like printed. Now, you can order an entire sheet of this one label, or you can actually mix and match, which is awesome. So I am going to select the second sticker and then click on it and backspace to delete it, and then select Image, add another image, and we'll add the Let It Go roller from our Frozen collection. Now when you do this, you'll notice that it pops into the center and it's tiny, but don't freak out. Just click on Set as Background and it automatically resizes perfectly. And I'm going to select the next one and do the exact same thing. So if you are working on multiple projects, multiple gifts, you don't have to order 24 of the same label, which I think was a little bit of a deterrent for some people, not knowing that they could do this. So change these however you would like and then click Next. I always recommend clicking View My PDF Proof just to make sure that everything looks good. I have yet to ever have a problem, but it's good to check. This will show you where the trim lines are. The trim is the little red area where it's going to get cut off, where the safe area is considered, which is the little gray area. And like I said, all the Essentially Crafty printables are designed to be printed by Avery, so you don't have to worry about any sort of sizing issue. And then click Approve My. Okay, now this is where we are going to select, again, just to confirm, which material you want, and it gives you a quick description of what they all do, and then just proceed to cart and you are done. Super easy, right? I told you. Happy printing.